Hi, my name is Paulina. I'm actually originally from Poland, but I came all the way from Switzerland for the level 2 quantum touch with Karina. And I'd like to just share with you that what an incredible experience this has been. I had many breakthroughs, and I just can't. It keeps on getting better. I don't know how to describe it even in words. So yesterday, during the day one, it was literally mind-blowing experience, and I think if you come and do it yourself, you will understand where the word mind-blowing comes from, because it really was. The work we were doing on the brain was for me just incredible. And I had a very enlightening experience during a few of the sessions. One of them was, I'm gonna tell you, it was kind of orgasmic. That's how good it gets. So, and it just keeps on working, and it keeps on getting better. And this morning I woke up and I do journaling in the morning, and I can tell you, I literally wrote this morning that I feel like I'm a new person, like something changed in me, and I just cannot get rid of this grin on my face. I don't know, it's there constantly, and I feel great and happy and loving, and you have to do it. If you're hesitating, I definitely tell you, please come and do it with Karina, because she's amazing. So, thank you.